Hello, it's Ashley, and I'm so excited to show you the Bunny Burrow Stamp and Die Set from Trinity Stamp's Bright Side release. Trinity Stamp's Whimsical Critter Home collection now has this cute Bunny Burrow edition, illustrated by Davina Cantrel. Add this new little house alongside the popular mouse house and shoe sprites. The stamp set contains 12 separate images. The house stamp measures 3.4 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall. So to start out, I've stamped and die cut out all of the pieces in this stamp set. So we have our 4 little critters, and then we have a little handful of flowers, a little worm, a little bee, and a little ladybug. First, I wanted to show you what the Bunny Burrow looked like, just stamped out as is. So then when you look at the die set, it's pretty cool. So on 3/4 away around the door, it cuts, and then the straight edge just leaves an impression, so it's scored, so you can open and close the door, as you can see here. It also cuts out the little window as well, and we have another window die that I'll show you in a moment. And the little stone pathway you can cut out as well. So here's how it looks when it's cut out. When you go to open the door, it just folds right back onto the score line from the die. It comes with a little heart die, which fits perfectly on the heart that's in the door. I love how this stamp and die set comes with some extra additional dies, just to be more creative with your card making. So this little window die cuts out the window that you've cut out and cuts out the little window parts of it. So you can kind of put it back in there, you can bump it up, whatever you choose. So I just wanted to show you what that looked like there. And then the little stone archway around the Bunny Burrow door can cut out as well. And I'll show you this nice and up close. It actually leaves an embossed impression of each little stone too. So it's really cool up close. And so that you can put around the door just for another element of design. And the door can open and close just fine with that around it as well. By the way, there are 17 total dies in the die set. So lastly, I just wanted to show you the stone pathway. So you can see there's 2 different ways you can choose to cut them out. So here are some examples that I've made using this set. So here I just created a cute little scene with the Bunny Burrow and some of the other little elements, and this one I left the door open, so you can open it and see the little worm surprise and close it. So I love how it's a little bit interactive than just a standard card. It makes it a little bit more fun. The next card I wanted to show you, I've left the Bunny Burrow itself all closed up just because I had so much going on the card otherwise. So I just left everything closed up there, used all the critters, used actually every stamp that came in this set for this card. Lastly, I have some other cards to show you from our design team using this stamp set. Be sure to subscribe to Trinity Stamp's YouTube page, as well as our Facebook group, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation. Also check us out on Instagram as well for lots of crafty inspiration.